Welcome everyone to this wonderful venue. We have the umpires walking out with the new ball in their hand. Openers walking in and the crowd cheering in anticipation. Pace bowler into the attack. There must be some nerves as the batsman is set to face his first ball. Well, he has to bowl that one again. There is a little bit on the surface for the bowlers. It's also good for batting. Good shot for a single. Well, that is glorious, absolutely glorious, perfect timing. Looks in good batting form. Turned away for a single. He didn't get any timing on that one. Long leg in place. Expect some chin music from the bowler. Very good running between the wickets. Squeeze a single there, good running. Well, that brings us to the end of the power play. Fielding captain can now have more fielders outside the inner circle. Good shot for a single. Very well played, just working on the field where the gaps are. Turned away for a single. The batters need to start taking a few risks now. Scoring rate at the moment is a crawl. Very good running between the wickets. Glorious, absolutely glorious. Very important to keep wickets in hand, because in the death overs, they'll have that security. Good shot by the batsman. Can they steal a second here? Last ball coming up. Squeeze a single there, good running. Nice throw straight to the top of the stumps. The fielding side looks warmed up and ready to go. Pace bowler into the attack. The bowler has the new ball. We're all set to go for the first ball of the innings. Hammered away for four. Good placement. Don't think the bowlers have been able to hit the right length consistently. That's a six. The power is extraordinary. Good pickup shot this. Has that gone for a six? Yes, it has. I know he's a fierce competitor and doesn't shy away from a challenge, but that is just crossing the line, I think. Very well struck. Nobody's going to catch that unless in the crowd. This has been an impressive performance. They got just about everything right today. A well-deserved win. You have shown some exceptional performance today. What was going on in your mind while you were in the middle?
I felt I was in top form today and I'm really happy to get the work done for my team.